Everybody, Man of Light here. Checking out one of my cameras, make sure everything's good. What I find is an opening right here. It's pretty unique. You can see where the tree is busted off here and busted off there with an opening going over some mounds of hills. They're like snapped off to almost the same exact height. And then there's another one back over here. You can see it there, it's snapped down there. Just one of my research areas. This whole area over here is portal trees all around. As you can see, this is one area where my cameras were with the field in the front of it. This is the area right here. A lot of things happen back here. I'm just checking on the cameras right now and making sure everything's good. That's what I'm heading out doing today. Well, you can see there's like an opening right there between both those treetop that are just busted down and basically in the same direction. You can see how they are. Just wanted to share with you all. A lot of things, like I said, a lot of things happen back here. A lot of things happen back here. So right now, I'm going to start heading back. I'm like about almost 4 miles back in the woods here. You can hear in the background there's other cycles back here. They're pretty far away, but it's quiet back here, as you can tell. But I'm going to head back. Again, I thank you all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for more things coming up on updates. All right, have a great day. Man of Light out. Talk to you later.